Hey guys, welcome back to my video today, and today I'm going to be showing you what I like to feed my birds as a treat, me feeding my finches. Here are my finches. Here is my first finch, his name is Jack. Hello Jack. He's a little freaked out because I just closed the window. And back there, that's Jiggly Fluff. She usually is very fluffy. So now, here is their food. This is shells from millet. This is our spinach, also mixed in with the spinach. I put some mineral grit, and there's a few small seeds sprinkled about. There's a little spoon. Since it's been a while, and my birds do not seem motivated enough to come down just for spinach and mineral grit, I'm going to put a piece of millet. There's not much left on here, but there's enough to probably get them to come down here. Let's see. You guys want some millet? Yeah? You see that, don't you? Do you want the millet? Okay, so the one day I decided to record is the day I have a problem. Instead of taking this nice food I just set it out for them, they decide they want to eat this. Today of all days. What are you guys doing? You know you like this food? Okay, so my next attempt, we are going to get rid of this healthy crap, and we're just going to give them a treat. See if this can get them out. Here is your millet. If that doesn't work, we're going to need even bigger millet. Ooh, you already are attracting the birds closer. Maybe they just didn't feel like lettuce today. What kind of phenomenon is this? He's about to jump. Come on. Oh, he did it. Get the melon. That looks so ungraceful, but okay. Oh. Stop falling. Why are you guys so picky? They say they don't know. I can't control what they say. She don't know. Okay, so I literally stopped recording for 2 seconds and she did the funniest thing. Jack had this and he like pushed it over here and Jiggly Fluff tried to land on it and she launched it and sent it launching across the cage and she like slowly fell to the floor. Look who's gonna try again. Why are you being so ungraceful today, you two? Usually when the millet's bigger, it helps if I take pipe cleaners. I have a huge supply of pipe cleaners because they help in every way with these birds. I take the pipe cleaner and I can pin the millet down to these little doors so that way they can sit there and kind of jump on it and not mess around like this so they keep sliding. But there's not much left to this one and they seem okay. That's the look of a crazy bird. Crazy bird right there. What was that, Jack? You see the little shells that fall? What the? He just took the whole thing! Jack! She's like, what the heck? Oh my god. What are you doing? There's nothing there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of these birds. And if you have any video ideas that you want me to make, just comment and leave it. And if you guys want a care video, make sure you let me know it too, because I can show you how I care them and how they build their nest and when I feed them more. And this little guys are little rascals. Now they're behaving well. The moment I turn the camera off, they go crazy. They don't want to be documented in their psychosis. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Oh no! He's just gonna take the whole thing back. Jack, why did you steal the millet? What the? What? You're scaring your girlfriend, Jack. She didn't like that. Oh.